Pick a good no?
Together we belong. You are my future plan. God greatest gift to man, 1 in a million.
Every night, every time I close my eyes, I'm dreaming of
Tell us something, girlfriend.
It's the gang.
It's the girl Abbi
And your boy Capo
and
here.
we're back with
Another blazing video.
So as you can see by the title,
Today we'll be guessing the correct food logo.
and so you know what team Abbi and so. Yeah, I want some dirty
people,
one.
Abbi don't really have no sense in one team. Yeah, for that one, yeah. Straight.
So guys, just make sure you hit the like button.
Subscribe if you're new.
Leave a comment what you think about this video. Answer.
Yeah.
And also follow us on Instagram down below.
Subscribe to Abbi and Capo Comedy TV.
And also subscribe to Abbi's Madness.
And also subscribe to Capo's TV.
Answer.
Alright.
So no further talking.
Let's flick into the video. Hey, not today. Alright.
So Capo will be screen recording on his phone.
Abbi, read everyone to you.
Yeah. Screen recording on
Okay.
his phone.
So guys,
So guys, basically what you have, we have 9 logos.
9
to
logos.
guess. You know, keep on really going when I know nothing good. So you know maybe him not lose. Me know if you fax them I lose. Yeah.
Liberty come through kill it, you know. Liberty.
Yes. I look slim, come in a black, you know. Make sure I look slim, you know.
Alright,
Slim,
people.
you tell me.
So now the recording has started.
Yeah.
So found the website of this, right? Our website. So let us follow through on the website and see where it takes us. So let's go.
Alright, so the first one is,
Pick the correct Starbucks logo.
so guys, I've never tried Starbucks. You know, which one you think?
We never tried Starbucks, you need to know.
Which one you think? Which one you pick?
You know, me pick the one with the star. You know why?
Which?
Kind name Starbucks. Some feel like one with the star. What do you think?
We pick it too, we pick it too.
Click one of them.
We pick it too, guys.
Click one of them.
No, you pick it. Right.
No. The one with the star. Star.
Yes, Starbucks. Moving on.
Use a idiot. Pick the correct Domino's logo.
Yeah.
Bomba, this side. Domino de Jamaica. But I don't know that other logo look.
We pick the left one.
The left one to that. So big, you know? I get this one, you know. Bomba! Yo, Abbi, I'm going. Abbi, no, I have a thing, man.
Answer.
Pick the correct logo. Chick-fil-A.
Chick-fil-A. Guys, I've never had this Chick-fil-A thing.
Me eat Chick-fil-A already.
Yes, so you're supposed to know Hungry Belly.
So I'm gonna know.
What the correct one?
Chick-fil-A. So what about that? The first thing, you know, what different about them two here? The A did the same way the last part. Yo, what the difference? Oh, one K. Don't have a K now. Look, Chick.
Which one?
C-H-I-C-K. And down another K. So I pick the one another K.
You pick the one and I'm okay?
Chick, C-H-I-C-K. No, I must want the
Me
K.
pick the which one you pick at?
The one with the K.
The one with the K. We pick the one with the K too,
Show me how
guys.
to do it. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Is it right?
Yeah.
Ah!
The one with the K. Alright guys, so was me and lead, you know?
I thought, team. Alright.
I'll be a lead. We get two, whatever you could choose one.
Look, she love her belly. You
Choose
go-
the
come.
correct burger. We got this.
Come on, Abbi.
Which one you pick?
No,
We-
you a year time. You just want to go year time.
No, it's against each other. So you have to pick one, I have to pick one.
Alright, me pick one about to your side. The left
Me
one.
pick the left one too. So click on it.
You pick on it.
I'm sure about my thing.
Yo, burger.
Burger cake. Answer.
Okay, and now
Nice.
Taco Bell. Pick the correct Taco Bell logo.
I don't know nothing about Taco Bell.
Alright.
Alright, look.
Oh.
Me pick the one over the right side. Which one you pick?
You know why I pick the right side one? Because I can see this come like something missing off it. But I don't know.
Me pick the right. Which one you pick?
Pick the left. My bad boy. Left.
Alright.
I follow she.
So click your one.
Bomba, what you want? Yo, what's here? Yo! Hey!
If Abbi eat, look at what's Abbi.
Yo, I'm not like. Well, I go, I think that's right. I just go get for she say. Yo, people, believe in yourself. Don't give up on. Hey! Don't follow people here.
I don't follow people.
Next one. Subway on my team. I don't know about this Subway thing.
Guys, I don't know. Yeah.
But
So guys, this is choosing the correct subway.
Yeah, so the green, one of them have green start and one have green end it. So Abbi, go on, your time now.
Subway. I think.
Anything I'll pick a bit the other one.
No, you pick first.
Me feel I'm gonna put the green at the front and I pick one of the green at the front.
And that be that gonna pick too. Green at the front.
Oh, you want to pick me pick?
Green at the. You want to choose the next one?
Yes.
Choose the next one then.
Alright, you at the front. Yo! You're not ready yet? You're not ready yet, you know? You're not ready yet? No.
What you got?
Let's take a moment to think about it.
Me get 3 right and you get 2.
Let's get 3 right, Abbi.
Abbi.
Abbi, are you feeling? Abbi! You see, follow the mind. Abbi, the follower. Pick the one, yeah?
I'm not a follower, guys.
But
Me
me
don't
want
feel
the one.
like say it's
Me want the one with the
Let's
green.
feel like say the one with the green is right, but go on, carry on.
Team Yabo.
Team Abbi, guys.
You know,
The wine not done yet.
You know me, I'm in the challenge, you know. No.
Swear.
Alright, Wendy's
This
now.
is Wendy's, guys.
Pick the correct Wendy's logo.
I picked the one on the right side.
The one over there,
The one over, you know, the right damn food, going back to school.
so. You don't mean this, you know. So she want the one over there, so.
Yeah.
Me like look what different about them, you know. So this have red, she have a red necklace, yeah, so. She have a blue necklace, yeah, so. I'm feeling honest now.
Eh?
I feel like you're going, I'm still going that one, yeah, because it's sneak peek.
Yeah, I picked that one there.
You already pick that one, yeah, yo.
But in number 2, we can
Alright,
pick the
you
same
pick.
one.
Just
Me
you
pick the
press
one on the right.
Press the button. Bombard! Yo, she not ready yet. She not ready yet. Yo. She not ready yet. I'm not ready yet. Bomba, Abbi, but me not like
Actually,
sing.
the guys, actually think say it's the one with the red and the guys blue.
Yeah, me I want the ear.
The blue, the guys are right.
But it makes sense, you know, because the clip them match the necklace and I've been still.
Four to you know. Yeah, four.
You know some win.
You don't win yet, the one not done yet.
Right now, next
How
one.
about this?
Pick the correct Dairy Queen logo. Let's see what will happen now. I don't know about this brand, you know, but now this is my common sense. I say we can win. Pick Abbi. Pick Abbi.
Why not?
Where you can read it? You
Me
don't know.
I pick the one on the right.
Over me, yes, sir?
Yeah, over you there, so.
Alright. Me put one on the left. But you pick the button. Press the
No,
button.
you press the button this time.
One on the left, here me go. Hey! Stop. Hey! Yo, I'm telling you, great, you know, man. Greatness, you know.
But they never pick, because they never want to pick the same one like me.
You know, pick from win then, because you lose and me win. Next one, the other game, nice there.
Pick the correct McDonald logo.
Hold on, what difference between them for you? One lighter than one. I pick the one, you know. Pick one to me.
You pick the one to you?
Yeah.
Alright, since you pick the...
Yes. You pick one, no? One look brighter than one.
Yeah.
So pick the one you pick. Which one you want to be?
No, the darker one look like a carrot.
So you stick with me then.
The darker one look like a carrot.
So basically, I say I pick two.
Careful, pick. Hey! The darker one look like a carrot.
Alright.
Move.
Hey, she not, hey!
Next one.
You don't want me to win.
You done?
Oh, done. One more, girl. Why you done so fast? Okay, say you got 8 out of 9 right. You passed. You have an eye for detail and photographic memory.
Aye.
You scored better than 97% of quiz takers.
Careful, who want more?
Okay, guys. So Abbi said she want more, so I go find another one.
Yeah, we want bonus one. Alright, guys. So this is bonus one.
Yes.
Choose the correct Oreo.
I don't really know, but let's see. Abbi, you pick. What difference? I always want no difference first before I jump to conclusion, you know. So
We pick the one on the left side.
Why?
I don't know. Wait. I'm pick the one on the left side.
That's how I thought.
Yeah, that's a, you don't know. Keep on going back to school.
Okay, so I'm gonna pick one on the right. Since you have to figure out, watch it now, people. Watch it now. Right.
I don't want on the left wing.
What do you mean? Look, right answer.
No, this. Oh, that's.
Me right. Da.
No, I want another one. I want another one. Alright, this is the actual bonus one because we did 9 earlier, which was the 10.
No, 11.
So 11 now supposed to be the bonus. You know?
Mm-hmm.
Alright. So choose the correct Coca-Cola.
People, I mean, I'll be choosing, because I choose them always win, so I'll be choose.
No, you choose.
Why are we putting me yes? Choose. I be get nervous, people. I become choose, man.
Wait. Alright, but
Me
I
don't
feel
know.
like I top one. No,
don't-
wait.
Me don't know how I run already, you know.
Oh, wait.
I'm not tell you, pick.
I feel like I the top one.
Pick the top one then.
Yeah, I'm win.
Pick the top one.
I'm win. If I ever get that one right, I'll freak him up.
Pick it.
Feel that one?
Do you? Yeah, pick one I think right.
Yeah. Alright, look at that change my mind, you know.
Then change it then. Because you drink Coca-Cola from banner and the right logo yet.
Cap on my gym Pepsi.
We don't come pick the logo, I'm type for you. Come pick. Yeah, pick now. Pick a good no? Okay.
Who's the bitch now?
She get one right, you know. I said one, I'm excited. Alright, people. That's the end of that challenge here. I'm not asking you, I'm going to tell you, there will be a part 2.
Yes, guys, there will be a part 2. A matter of fact, we might just do part 2 right after this.
Yeah, who
Because we
knows?
love it. We're using different logos, not food items anymore.
But something else.
Yeah.
We might throw whatever we have in it too, just to make it more interesting.
Yeah, guys, I might do it right after the video because we're nice. I feel
Nice.
competitive now.
It's so nice you want to do it.
We want to do
Twice. Twice.
Twice.
Okay.
So if you don't see me that same clothes in another video,
Don't watch
don't
her.
come for me, camp.
Where are you going to them? Tell them.
Don't come for me, I'll fight you.
Oh. Oh.
Yeah. So don't find talking, just make sure you hit that one.
Subscribe for the new.
And comment which team you pick with.
Team
Abbi?
Capo. Hey.
Abbi?
Team Capo. Hey. From what you...
Team Abbi? Shut up.
Hey, from
Team
what you...
Abbi and Team
Hey.
Capo.
Team Capo from what you... Hey, me I put in the work from what you know. So I have to make sure I should support straight, you know.
And guys, also follow us on Instagram below.
Alright.
And
Subscribe to our comedy channel.
Abbi and Capo
because we
Comedy
have
TV.
posts over there now. So
Guys.
jump over there and
And-
subscribe.
And we're gonna start post pranks over there too, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah, whatever reason, so just make sure you go subscribe. That's when I will drop the prank then.
You can see them.
You can see them, answer. Yeah.
Turn on notification bell.
Turn on the bell.
People, may I ask you to turn on the bell.
Turn on
It's
the
very
bell.
important. It help the channel. Turn on the bell.
Turn on the bell, guys.
You want help you grow?
Turn on the bell. And watch and like and guys, you don't need to comment.
Yeah,
Don't
man.
watch and just don't watch alone. Comment to make we know so
Make
you're
we know so
active.
you know watch it
Because
again.
that also help with video then.
Yes.
So just comment too. Please guys, if you don't like we, just do what we are beg on you. Answer. Yeah.
Hungry now still.
You wanna eat for morning.
Work, we are work for money.
Work for uno.
Yeah.
Me a bang my belly for uno. I saw water alone. And you know so water pies alone for hungry belly.
Where she get that from? Anyway, people. I just want to kick it.
Water pies, it a kill me. Same thing, hard work we are putting food on the kill off ourselves.
People, I enjoyed this challenge. So as I said before, there will be a part 2 to this
Yes.
challenge.
So until then,
AC Gang is out!
Bye.